the structural and functional unit of cellular organisms is called as cell. An aqueous compartment which is bound with a membrane which is called as a cell. Many functions are depend on a cell. In 1665, Robert Hooke first observed the cell, and he first gave the word as cell. He published his work in his famous work Macrophagia. Robert Hooke mainly researched on cell wall of a cork cell. Cork cell is a dead cell because cork cell is a dead cell. So he easily researched on its cell wall. In a dead cell, there has no cytoplasmic contents. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the first person who observed living cells under a microscope, and he pointed out these as animalcules. Animalcules means little animals, and the shell word mainly come from the Latin word cellula. Cellula means small compartments. In inner architecture of a cell is divided into the basis of inner architecture of a cell. The cell is divided into two divisions. First is prokaryotic cell, second is eukaryotic cell. In between, the difference between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell is that in eukaryotic cell the nucleus has a unit membrane, but in prokaryotic cell there has no membrane of its nuclei, and other is besides nuclei. In eukaryotic cell there is many other organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, vacuoles, etc. But in prokaryotic cell there has no membrane bounded organelles like those. And the cell lining between the plasma membrane and the nuclei, in between this portion is called as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm mainly consists of cytosol. Cytosol means cytoplasmic matrix, and cytoplasm mainly consists of one cytosol, two is organelles. Cytosol is the cytoplasmic matrix is called as cytosol. That is the basic idea of